What's the sniper rifle so powerful it can stop vehicles? Meet the Barrett M82, the king of long-range firepower. Developed in the 1980s by Ronnie Barrett, the M82 is a semi-automatic anti-material rifle, chambered in .50 BMG. With a range of up to 1,800 meters, it can pierce armor, disable vehicles, and even take down aircraft on the ground. It's used by over 60 countries, trusted for its power in both anti-vehicle and long-range sniper roles. The Barrett M82 isn't just a rifle. It's a legend of modern warfare, the king of snipers, built for domination.